Well, Alex, you finally got your box.
Oh, so I'm gonna turn my nails off. We'll see his amazing list. This is just the opening of this box. God. Okay. This thing is retarded. Here. No, not yet. I want to see if I can do it myself, which I'm not going to be able to.
You sure you don't want to get to the second box first? Yeah.
Could be fun. Why is this such a big deal, Dad? Why did... What could be wrong?
Because you said it was a big deal. You wanted to videotape you opening.
Yeah, because I was excited because there's so much fucking tape on it.
Oh.
With a newspaper. Wow, Alex. Just what you wanted.
Oh, wow, you kind of killed it.
What does it say? It's got too much tape on it. Oh, stupid duct tape. Thanks a lot, Alex. Love you too. Oh my God.
Poor Clara.
Yeah, geez, thanks. He's a very good gift wrapper. No, I got a black belt in gift wrapping.
I'm going to have to say he has...
Amazing tape skills.
Yeah.
I like the way he wrote my name, though.
Beautiful.
I know.
Yeah, you killed it.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually got it. Kind of.
Yeah. Ah, burn. I opened it. You got a bunch of pieces of paper. No, I
The
got...
rest is personal.
Actually, yeah, Kaylin did it. Maybe. What?
Personal. For a 55-year-old boyfriend.
Not for my 55-year-old boyfriend. Thought you said he was a giraffe.
55-year-old giraffe.
In a giraffe costume. That's what he calls you, Alex.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
One note, one shirt, one pair of boxers, and some dum-dums. So my handwriting is different. Alright, well, I've given you a pair of boxer shirt and some dum-dums. Okay. Hope you like it. That shirt is some history. Handwriting is worse with pencils. Alright, well, hope you like it. Heart attacks.
Okay, goodbye, Clara.
Look the way he wrote his name. That's just cool.
Beautiful.
I know. Bye-bye.
You okay there, Clara?
What? Hi.
She won't stop smelling your shirt.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Strange child.
Not a strange child. I like this shirt. It's Transformers. Who wouldn't like the shirt? Kind of makes me want to watch it. Do it have that movie? I don't know.
You're talking to yourself now.
I know. Probably gonna end up chewing on it too.
Someone's happy.
No. Not at all.
It's her new drug.
He's my personal brand of heroin. I'd have to say hallucinogen because you're inhaling him.
Yeah. He's my own personal brand of marijuana.
That's nice.
I can't deny it. He smells good. Don't roll your eyes at me. I don't know what
Tourette's? Yes.
Tourette's. Tourette's? No.
Want to go for a walk?
Yes.
Say bye-bye.
I want to sleep back again.
Huh? Well, did you sit down in his boxers?
No, I held them in my lap. I'm going to wear them tonight when I go to sleep.
Quilla in her bed, Scotty Animal James.